We live in a very, very small house, and I want to show you guys how we make the most of the space, and yeah, just give you guys a little house tour. Hi everyone, my name is Diana Keene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today I want to give you guys a little house tour. We live in a very, very small house. What you see right here is basically it, but I do want to go through and just show you guys all the little rooms and the details, and also give you guys a few tips on like what we did and what we bought to make most of this super small space that we live in. First of all, this room right here is our laundry room slash coat room. Number one, we bought stackable washer and dryers just so we have more room here to store our jackets. And this shoe rack right here is from Amazon, and oh my goodness, it's such a lifesaver because apparently we have a lot of shoes, and having them on the door here just keeps them out of the way. So nice. Amazon to the rescue. Next room here is it's huge. It's really, really big, but I'm not complaining because I store a lot of stuff in here, including toilet paper, because our bathroom is really small. Also, this rack here, spice rack, I got this from Amazon, and it's really nice to just to store more things, because obviously you can see my pantry is very full, and I store more in there than just food, so it's super helpful. Next room is this little room, which is a water heater, but we put shelves up there and we store our trash can in here. I also wanted to mention the room, let me get the light, the laundry room, we put a shelf up in there too. I'm just gonna go back and show you that. Here is the laundry room, we put shelves up there. Shelves are just super nice, extra storage. They weren't here when we got here, so it's just super nice to, because I hate feeling cluttered, so if I can just have things organized and out of the way and in their home, I feel so much better. Another tip is, you can see me, wow. Okay, well, another tip is a mirror. This mirror helped so much with making our house feel bigger and more spacious. I got this from Amazon too. I love Amazon. It just made our house feel so much bigger. I would definitely recommend a mirror if you feel like your house is really small. Next, this room is our bathroom. It's super tiny, so here's our little sink. Definitely not much space there, but I did buy this shelf from Amazon just to hold a couple of my like skincare products and cotton swabs, etc. I also got this thing right here. Oh my goodness, I never even knew these things existed, but they're little toothpaste holders, and you can just literally stick your toothbrush in there and you're good to go. Tiny little laundry basket. Everything is mini here. Here's our shower. I also got this little bath sign from Amazon. Our shower is nothing out of the ordinary except for our shower head. Babe exchanged it for the one that was there. This one is so amazing. He also took the little water saver out, and the pressure is just, yes, amazing. This little cupboard here, I'm not exactly sure where we got this, either Walmart or Amazon, but yeah, it's perfect for just extra storage. Has a shelf here, and we store some things up top too. And this one here it's a corner cabinet, and I love it. It's just super cute, and it has storage in the bottom, and up in here is a little cubby. We keep our hair dryer and like my curling iron and everything in there. This one, there's not a ton of space in there, but it definitely holds like lotions and stuff like that. So yeah, also, as you can see, I got a mirror for the bathroom because this bathroom just seems so tiny, and it is really tiny. And I actually got that mirror. It's really pretty. I got it from Home Goods, or I think at home, one or the other. But yeah, so yeah, this is my bathroom. Super tiny, but does the job. Next, we have my little coffee bar slash wine bar. When you don't have a ton of space, you make them into one. I got this shelf. I think it's super cute. I got it from Amazon. I probably should stop saying that because probably everything I got is from Amazon. Except for this. I got this coffee bar from Wayfair. I love that place too. They're amazing. Next up is guest bedroom slash office slash storage room. This was at one point a really cute little guest bedroom until we had to put an office in here. And this stuff right here, don't mind it. I was gonna clean it up for you guys, but then I decided to show you guys a little bit of a real life. Another thing I want to mention, if you don't want to see a mess, just put a blanket over it. It really works. But also, if you're low in space and you need more beds for like family coming from out of town or anything, get a bunk bed. It really is amazing. You're not losing any space. You're just gaining more beds. And this stuff here, oh my goodness, I have such a small closet space, and so we don't have room for like winter clothes, summer clothes all in our closets. So I keep them in these little storage containers, and now with it being warmer, had to get these from storage. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our little second bedroom. This is our bedroom. It's the same size as the guest bedroom, so not very big, but we make it work. We do have a king size bed, so it's definitely very full in here and not much room to walk around, but hey, I didn't want to give up our king size bed. Oh my goodness, we love it. And excuse my curtain back here. We do have blinds behind it, but it starts getting bright, like that's the east, so it starts getting bright around like, I don't know, 4 o'clock or something, and I cannot sleep when it's bright. So yeah, I know it doesn't look very pretty, but we're not planning to stay here long term, so I didn't do like a ton of decorating. Just a couple things to make it feel cozy and comfortable. Another thing that I wanted to mention, these things right here, I never knew they existed, but Babe thought of the great idea to put these there so we could store things under our bed, like our luggage. We travel so much, so I was like, we can't just take our luggage and put it in the storage because we use it so much. So Babe thought of that, and like they work amazing just to store things under your bed. And as you can see, more mirrors, because it just makes the room feel bigger. Have this big mirror here. Our closet in here is the same size as the guest bedroom as well. And I think all our closets and the laundry room, I got some like shoe racks. These are amazing. They work for shoes and also like belts and stuff. So yeah, our closets are very small. So you can see why I need some storage containers for the rest of my clothes. Laundry basket. I got that from at home. And this thing right here, this jewelry box you can hang from your door, it's so nice. I got this from Amazon. It's just this little space saver and keeps your jewelry all nice and organized. Oh, and something funny. So this chest here, Seth was like, there's no way it's going to fit. The door won't open. And I was like, well, could we at least try it? Because I think it'll fit. Like, he's like, okay, we can try it. But he's like, sure, it's not going to fit. Guys, look. Oh my goodness. Literally so close. But yeah, I'm so thankful that thing fit because there's no way we could fit all our clothes in here and in there and in the closet. So yes, I was right on that one. He's always right though. So so this is it for the master bedroom. Here it's out in the main room. Super tiny but cozy. I had so much fun decorating it. As you can see, there's not much cabinet space or countertop space. This literally right here, there's not much room for dirty dishes. It's so tiny, but hey, I guess it keeps me washing my dishes. My table I got from Wayfair matches my coffee bar, and obviously I got one with storage underneath. Store our games under there. We love playing games together. A lot of my decorations are from either at home or TJ Maxx. My rugs, my basket, my plant, and these pillows and blanket, all from at home. It's a little bit expensive, but they have such pretty stuff. Our wedding and honeymoon pictures. Out here is our little patio. Super tiny, but we did our best making it cute, putting lights up here. A little fireplace and our grill. So yes, that is pretty much it. I know it's really small and we had to come up with ways to just make the most of a small space, but honestly sometimes you have to do what you have to do in order to move forward. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know our house is super tiny, but sometimes you have to take one step backward in order to take 10 steps forward. This is kind of a stepping stone to a bigger picture. This is definitely not our long-term goal. So yes, if you guys like this video and are new here, hit the like button and subscribe. I will definitely be seeing you guys later. Okay, babe, do you mind handing me, you're gonna me some ranch?
Sure.
Thanks, love. Perks of having a small kitchen.
Yeah, it's awesome.